Hi folks, welcome back to Pep Talks with Niranjan by Jiva Shastra Abhyasa. Today here we are in a spot, such a spot where you can learn easily with nature. So today's topic is libraries. So first things first, that is, if you are new to this channel, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget it because it's easy and free. So today, libraries. So how to get addicted to libraries is that we are going to learn, and we are going to learn few steps of or to get addicted to the libraries. So which will make you people to score more. So let's hit the video. As you all know that we are going to library in only 3 times. So most of the students go only for 3 times to the library. They visit the library for 3 times. So when they are going to visit to the library, first thing, when you are going to campus with your parents, so then you are going to meet with go to the library, and you as you watch the campus, you are going to watch the definitely library. Then the second time, so whenever your college makes compulsory to get a library card, so from the library, then you go and get a library card from the librarian, right? And the third time when you go to the library is the time when you're going to get a no clearance certificate from the library to get your mass card from your college. So these are the most people do these things. And some way sometimes the fourth time is when your friend goes, you go with him and you borrow a book, and just as a for a friendship you go, and you go for there in library, you make some chit chats. For that reason also you go. So I am here, as I told you, I want to make you people get addicted to the libraries. So how we can get addicted? There are simply 3 steps are there which you can follow. The first step, so if you get bored, when you go to the library, so you're going to get bored, right? Definitely, most of them. So what you should do is, so go for 1 week, just go and sit for 5 minutes or to 10 minutes, just sit silently, go alone, don't go with your friends or anybody other, just go and sit silently for 5 minutes or to 10 minutes and just come back. So do it for 1 week, okay? So then you are going to like the environment of library. So you have to sit where you have to sit. You have to sit in front of magazines, papers, वगैरह, right? Okay, fine. The second step, so in the next week, you have to do is simply take a paper, a newspaper, dailies will come, right? So take that, or magazines. You just in that 5 to 10 minutes, you just glance over it. So you do it for 2 weeks, 2 more weeks. You have to do this only for 5 to 10 minutes. That's the second step. Now the 3 weeks are done. So now you are able to, and you will get adjusted to the particular library scenario or the library environment. So now you want to go more there. So not it is the addiction. How this is the experience, my personal experience I am sharing you. This is how I got addicted. In only 1 month of time, I got addicted to the library in my PG studies. Okay, so I'm not that good guy in degree and PUC. So but you can be that good guy which I became in post graduation. So the third step, last step. So in the 4th week onwards, so in the 4th week, that is major, so you have to get a little bit more concentrated there. So just go and sit down and scroll some of the books of your liking subjects or your syllabus books. Just scroll on, don't read it. So do it for 1 week, but here just increase your timings. Increase the timing to around 20 to 30 minutes. Now you are addicted to the library. So if you are addicted to the library, what happens? You are going to read, which will make you to get more number of scores or marks. So maximum number of hour you can sit or you have to sit is 2 hours, not more than 2 hours. So that's best. If you can sit for a whole day, that is not the complaint, but 2 hours is the ideal for the library. So if you are going to read that, go and sit down for after 1 month you will be definitely are going to sit for 2 hours. So go and sit down in the library and score more. So this is the 3 steps which you have to follow. So I think this if you like this information, if you like my experience, so just hit a like, share and subscribe to the channel. That is very important because it is free and easy. So until next time, let's hit the road of success. Jai Hind. अभी मैं गायब नहीं हुआ, अभी भी इधर ही हूँ. Okay, again let's do it again.